Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to create character in Poly AI. As you can see, I'm on the web version, but if you're on your phone or download it, this should look literally the same. What you want to do is look for create character, which should be on the home page. Tap on that, and then we want to create either a new character or a character card image file. If you already have one, we're going to tap on create, and then it's asking me to sign in, so I'm going to do that real quickly. As you can see, it says create avatar. So if I just click on it, let's say we generate image, and let's say we want this one. And then as you can see, there's a lot of subject you can also choose, and then style. Let's say we go for this one. You can also choose the weight and stuffs like that. And then how do you want the style to be? Let's say steampunk. And then age, do you want it young boy, mature, elderly, or vice versa? Let's go for young boy. Subject presence, as you can see, they have plenty. Let's say we go for serious. Gesture, let's say we do victory. And then pose, anything you want. Let's say fight. Skin color, what do you want? Let's say we want golden. And then accessories, do you want your character to have anything? Let's say we want them to have fangs. And then what is the component? Let's say mid shot. Setting, let's say gym. And then we click on generate. As you can see, it's being done right over here, so we need to wait. Now this also might take depending on your internet speed or how many options you chose, but other than that, the process should be very similar, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.